Hello everybody. Through the courses we have seen so far, we have tested some basic elements in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now it's the time to go on with HTML and learn more features and more elements that will be useful through our courses. The new feature that we are going to learn through this mini course is about tables. Let me firstly make an introduction regarding tables. Tables in HTML are used for two main purposes. Firstly, to create a simple table with lists of data and information. We will see more details about this. And secondly, and most importantly, tables are also used to structure the whole HTML page, so as the HTML page produced to be compatible with all the main internet browsers. Our first topic is to create a simple table in HTML. To do this, firstly we have to open our HTML page. As you can remember from our previous courses, the HTML page is in my desktop, and the easiest way to open the HTML page is to open it with Notepad, so as to see the HTML code within. So, this is the code that our HTML page has. Through our all courses till now, we can see HTML code, CSS code and JavaScript code. We will go on from this page and use this page to build our tables. Tables are being created with the element table. We can insert an element table right here. You can follow my steps. Elements in HTML are being opened and closed, like this. So here, I opened a table element and closed it like here. If we will save our web page and go to desktop and double click it, we will not see anything yet. Why is that? Because the table element will show information only if we use the tr and td sub-elements. Let's see about this. Let's go again to our code. The tr element is the element used to create a new table row, tr, table row. So we are opening and closing a tr element. I'm getting used to open and close elements at the same time, so as not to forget to close them when opened. The next step is to create a table dimension. Now, as you can see, we have created a table which has one table row and one dimension. And I'm inserting some sample information inside this cell. Let's see what happens to our page. We have to save first, of course, and then go to our desktop and open our web page. This table is created here, which has only one cell. If we go back to our code and insert within the table element the attribute border equals to 1 and save it. In our web page, we will refresh, you will see this border. So our table is being created slowly. We have created one table row and one table dimension, and we have inserted the information name within this cell that we have created. Let's go back to our HTML code and add a new dimension. We will use again the TD elements, like this. I'm saving the progress, going to the web page, refreshing the page, and we see here that the table now has 2 dimensions and 1 row. Let's add some more information here. We have created 2 more dimensions with information within regarding organization and country. We are saving the progress and inspecting our web page. The table is developing, as you can see. Let's continue with our table. I will add one more dimension here. You can observe how I'm repeating the steps. Saving the progress, inspecting the website. Let's say now that we have and we want to create a new table row. The easiest way to do this is to go select all this line, copy and paste it here in this place. All we have to do now is to change the information within the table dimensions. Carefully, not to harm any of the elements here. My name, surname, saving the progress, going to our web page, refreshing. Here you can see how our table is developing. If we want to make this first row of the table to be in bold, so as to highlight the main category of the information here, we can simply go to our code here and use the B element. B is by bold. I'm repeating the steps through all the table row.